Mike, welcome to our live lesson for the Green Football Weekend.
Welcome.
You are our head of retail here.
I am.
At Forest Green Rovers, right? Amazing. So tell us something, what makes us so special? What part of retail make us stand out to other clubs?
Well, what we try and do is anything we actually bring into the shop, we try and make sure it's friendly for the environment, recyclable materials, and we try and be a bit innovative with regards to how we actually use that in the products. Mm-hmm. So, for example, the home and the away shirt this year, it's made from something called EcoVera lensing. So it's 88% recycled polyester and 12% EcoVera lensing. Now, EcoVera lensing comes from wood, which is good because it's a natural product. And it's sourced from responsible forestry. So it's a really good material for us to actually have with our shirts. And also with the production of these shirts, we use 50% less water and we emit 50% less CO2. So it's a good thing to have.
Amazing. So natural on the pitch, for the actual pitch, and natural the shirt that they're wearing as well, which is incredible. So what about other products that we have in here? We've obviously got the amazing home shirt, but what else do we do?
So we've got new hats and scarves in this season, and they're all made from 100% recycled polyester. Our hoodies, polo shirts and T-shirts, they're all made from 100% recycled organic cotton. And even down to our accessories, we've got bamboo products, soft enamel, again, wood. So again, we just try and make sure that when we're actually working with suppliers, we try and make sure that we are as environmentally friendly as we possibly can.
And what about compared to other clubs, right? Are we doing stuff differently? Is that the stuff that we've got?
I personally think from an environmental point of view, we are leading the way.
Yeah.
And we've seen that there are so many other clubs now that are looking to move further into this. So it can only be a good thing.
Amazing. And obviously, we're talking to you today about the Green Football Weekend, right? So we were trying to score as many green goals as possible for Forest Green Rovers, get to the top of that league. Is there any pledges that you could suggest to the children watching this about what they could do?
Yeah, do you know what? When they go out to their club, whether it be Forest Green or whatever club they're supporting, just be mindful about the products you're actually looking at. Go to the inside of the top and look at the how it's made, and just try and be a little bit more sort of environmentally friendly towards what you're buying.
Awesome. Thanks for that, Mike.
You're welcome.